Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve GfG 160 day challenge problem day solving of day 21. And problem name is short zeros, ones and twos. And the problem difficulty level is easy. So let's read the problem statement. So basically we have given an array containing only zeros, ones and twos. Sort the array in ascending order. Okay, that means in increasing order. So you need to solve this problem without utilizing the built-in sort function. So we have to need to care about that one. And we have given example for input. We have 0 1 2 0 1 2. So basically we will sort 0 0 1 1 2 2. Okay, so yeah, it's a very easy problem. Basically for sorting an array containing only zeros, ones and twos in ascending order without using a built-in sort function, so we can use the Dutch national flag algorithm. So there is an algorithm called Dutch national flag algorithm. So this algorithm sorts the array in single traversal with order n and time complexity with order 1 space complexity. Okay, so we can here check like what is the expected complexities. So time complexity is order 1 and auxiliary space we have to take in order 1. So we will not do anything. So the idea is about to like there is three pointers. We have to consider three pointers for low, mid and high. Okay, like for low we will mark the boundary for zeros, and mid mark the current element, and then for high we will mark the boundary for twos. Like every thing after the index is 2. Okay, so basically just we will traverse the array once, and based on the value of the current element, and if it's 0 then we will swap it. Like if mid the element is less than mid, so we will short it. Okay, and we will swap it. And if it's 1, so just move. Like you can see, like if we have a like a three elements 0 1 2. Okay, so what will be the mid element? The after sorting the mid element is 1, but uh, what if we don't have a sorted array? So basically we have to sort this. So the idea is like we have to take the average of 3 1, like mid value. We have to take the mid value, we will find it. And after finding, if current element is less than mid, then we'll swipe it. And if the current element is equal to current mid, then we will not swipe it. Otherwise, if the element is 2, then we will swap it with the element at the high. That means in decrement high. Okay, so like we have to take the three pointers here. Like three pointers we can consider like a low is equal to 0, of course, because we have just in array we have just 0 1 and 2. Okay, so for mid also we here we are considering is 0. Okay, and like high, what could be high? So high is just the length of array. So what is the length of array? Length of array. And we are doing the -1 here because every array element is started with the zero indexing. So just we will implement the loop, and after implementing the loop, just we will check if array of mid is equal to 0, then we will swap it with the mid element with the low element. And then the second case is like if array of mid is equal to 1, so we will just increment with the mid 1. And if array mid is equal to 2, then swap mid element with the array high. So uh, let's check. Sorry guys, so how can we do it? Just considering these three pointers, and then just take the loop here. While loop we are taking like mid, how long our loop will run. So mid is less than equal to high value. Is when we reach the high value, then it will stop. Okay, so let's now we are going to apply that three cases. So if array of mid is equal to 0. So this is the first condition. Then what we will do it, so we will swipe with the mid element with the low element. So air of low and air of mid. So we will just swipe it, air of mids with mid, air of low. Okay, so first case is done. Now we'll second case is like mid is equal to 1. Then what we'll do it, if it will be the 1, then we will just increase with the 1. Okay, so second case, elif air of mid is equal to 1, then just increase it. Okay, and otherwise else condition, just check. Like if air of mid is greater than 0, it will not equal to, should not equal to 1, then just we will stripe it. That means we have just remaining the 2. So air of mid, we will swipe with the high, air of high value, air of high, comma air of mid, right? So, and yeah, because we are running the while loop, so just what we'll do that, what is the condition here, like it will, low will be increases till the mid, and mid also will be increased. Okay, and in this case is mid, and in this case, so our high value, high will be decrease by 1. And now because it is in place sorting, so just we will return the same array. Okay, now let's compile and run. Yeah, so as you can see, there is input like 0 1 2 0 1 2, and our input is like 0 0 1 1 2 2. So expected is also same. So now let's check, let's submit and check all the test cases will pass or not. Yeah, so every test cases are passed here. So I hope this is very basic problem. There is only three conditions for checking that one, and I hope you understand the problem with the implementation. Thank you so much for today, and I'll come with the next video. Until that, just keep learning and keep growing.